We live Vision Zero. Thanks to European Commissioner Violeta Bulc and to UN Special Envoy for Road Safety Jeannot for your video messages. But now, after these powerful calls, we will need every road user to make it happen. We support also the target setting to reduce fatalities and serious injuries by 50% till 2030. But as road victims, we can never accept even then thousands of deaths and 10,000s of serious injured. What happened to us should never ever happen to any one of our fellow citizens. We hope for the future where the final goal can only be 0 serious casualties. We must therefore engage on all levels of government and community to move towards eliminating all deaths and serious injuries in road traffic. Let's all live Vision Zero.